Hello again guys. In this video we will go over if can you still see friends on Instagram activity. Here I have my Instagram open, and in the recent Instagram update they continue the following activity tab, and Instagram removes the ability to see others' likes and comments. But you can still see some of the Instagram activity or your someone activity here in your Instagram account. Just make sure in your profile, just tap this profile, then these three lines, horizontal lines, and then in your settings, privacy, and in your activity status, make sure that this toggle option is on. And then go back and choose this or tap this heart icon here at the bottom part, and you will see here the some of the activity of your followers or the one that you are following. Okay, thanks guys. I hope this video helps you a lot, and keep following for more video tips.